All right, Kyle, You're Behind BBQ. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're gonna do something a little bit different. We are closed today. It is a Monday. So on Mondays at the restaurant, the girls deep clean, or waitresses deep clean the dining room, and the cooks take care of the kitchen. Well, today I'm gonna show you how we deep clean our smoker. All right, so today we got the old Hickory, the old restaurant smoker. She works her ass off all week. So as you can see, she is a mess. She is a mess. She's dirty. We cook our wings on here. We cook our chicken on here. Our mac and cheese gets cooked on here. Chicken, pork, briskets. She works her ass off. So all the employees here always give me a hard time. They say, hey, who's your favorite employee? Hey, who's number one here? Who's this, who's that? You know who my number one employee is? You know who number one is? It's this bad boy. This is my bad boy. This is my number one employee. All right, so I'm going to show you how we deep clean our smoker every 4 days. So everyone at home, every smoker you got besides a pellet grill, but any other smoker you got, I highly recommend this cleaner. This is an oven grill fryer cleaner that you can buy at Sam's Club. Sam's Club is the spot to get these. These are magic. It's magic in a bottle. All right, so what I'm gonna start doing is I'm gonna take these racks and I'm gonna put all these racks on top. Now at the restaurant, we use every damn rack. So usually every day we do 35 racks of ribs, Thursday through Sunday. I cook 15 briskets, and right now we're about 20 to 25 pork butts every day here at the restaurant. So this sucker gets pretty bad. Now, I hope you got big forearms. If not, this will make you get big forearms. So I am going to spray her down. Well, when you do this, especially inside, most of you'd be doing it outside, but you gotta turn the exhaust fan on. If not, you're gonna get smoked. Gonna get smoked. I wear gloves. People are probably like, "Oh, why are you wearing gloves? Why are you doing this?" Well, I got this on my skin one time. I didn't wear gloves. I just did my thing, and took a shower a couple hours later after I got everything done. Took a shower, and I was noticing all these damn cuts on myself. I was like, "Damn, what the hell is all? What did I do?" Well, this stuff eats through your skin and left me a bunch of welts. So I wear gloves, John. No glove, no love. All right, she's sprayed down. For you at home, you got smaller pits. That's cool. But you probably just use one bottle. Soak that sucker down. As you can see, it's already eating all the burnt stuff, all the bad juju, eating all that away. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna close this bad boy up. Okay, we're gonna give it about 45 minutes. Now, let's start the discussion. Leave me a comment below if you ever clean your smoker, or what the reasoning behind not cleaning your smoker. Because I will guarantee you right now, if you don't clean your smoker, there is a certain taste, and I can't really explain it, but once you eat your food off of a dirty smoker, smack your lips like, and you'll know that taste I'm talking about. So clean your damn pits. Don't be dirty. 45 minutes, let's go. Sprayed down, we still got another 15 minutes. So as we wait, we're going to clean the hot box. So then Old Hickory has a little handy dandy, I don't even know what you call it. I'm gonna call it chingadera. A little chingadera. I'm gonna slide that in here. And and I'm going to pull it all out. Always clean your ash, John. That doesn't sound good, huh? Always clean your ash. Scrape this out. Woo! Type of wood I use hickory. Hickory wood. Bam. All right, firebox is clean. Shut this bad boy. Now we'll clean all this at the end. But, so now it's sat for about 40 minutes. Get yourself a handy dandy scraper. I get asked a lot, why are you always wearing camouflage shorts? You wear camouflage shorts every day. You know why? Because we're going to war. So we'll put some war music on. Every day's war day, right? We're going to war. That's what I try to preach to the employees here. We're going to war every day. We're going to battle. So now, we got everything scraped. I didn't do anything with the racks. They're still kind of soaking. So now, as you can see, this is how much we cook a lot. We got stuff all from fat drippings to everything. So I'm gonna pull all this out with hands. Wear gloves. Should I eat this? Should I try it? Take a little bite, see how it tastes. Ha ha ha, not doing that. Not doing that. Alright, we got all the black stuff out of there, all the burnt, nasty. Now, there's still some areas, I got as most of it, or as much of it as I could. So there's still some areas that need work, so I always double it. I always let this sucker sit again and work. We want clean smokers, John. Now I'm on my second one. Now, for you guys at home, you probably don't have to do it twice, but if you've never, ever, ever, ever cleaned your smoker, you're probably gonna have to do it 2 or 3 times. So, let it go down again. I'm letting it get back to its stainless steel. There were some areas that I felt when I was scraping that I didn't get all the way, so I'm gonna let this sit another 30, 40 minutes, and then I'm gonna run the scraper one more time, and then we are going to get all these chemicals out of it. Out of it. All right, been sitting for about 30 minutes now. I'm gonna run this scraper over some of it, some tough areas one more time. All right, got that done. Now, my favorite part, get the old hose and we let it rip. Oh, ready? Let it rip. Let it rip. All right, now, Kyle, what are you gonna do? It's full of water. Oh my God. All right, so what we're gonna do is I got a bucket over here, my handy dandy cleaning bucket. There's a valve on the other end of the smoker that will, it's kind of like the grease valve, all the grease comes out of. So I will slowly open, fill this bad boy up. We dump it in our nice little grease trap. All right, most of the water's out. She's looking clean. All right, so now I'll just spray some of the other parts, rub down some of the stuff that I may have missed, and we'll guide all the water out to the end of the drain. All right, inside is now cleaned. Still a little bit of water in there, but we're gonna turn it off and burn the rest of this sucker out. So now we're gonna just clean the little parts. This is just soapy water. All right, got that in. Let's shut the doors. We're leaving the top rack still on top. All the heat comes from the bottom, comes up to the top. So I'm gonna crank this up as high as it goes. And it's gonna burn off the grates for about an hour. And then after an hour, I will turn this off. I'll put the grates where they go, and I will scrape each grate to get all the stuff, all the junk off the grates. All right, smoker's on. Now, soapy water. Now we're gonna scrub this smoker down. There we go. She all soapy. She all soapy. Now we're gonna start wiping her down. All right, that's the basics of every Monday at the restaurant. Next for me is I'm gonna pull the racks off about an hour. After an hour, it sits at 350. I'm gonna scrape the racks. I'm gonna vacuum out the rest of the stuff, and she's ready to go for tomorrow and back on its journey. If y'all like this episode, please like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below, see what else you wanna see next. Let's make it happen. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss a thing.